Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use AI to write a resume. So there are tons of tools that can help you create a resume, but this time I will be using this ChatGPT. These are the samples of resume that we can use as our inspiration. So now create an account here on ChatGPT. Once you have your account, then basically you need to know the importance of creating a resume. As you can see, you should gather information, work history, education, skills, achievements, and rewards, job description of your target goal. So once you know everything, once you have this already, then all you have to do is go back to ChatGPT. And then this time you can create a prompt. You can use this prompt that I'm going to show you right now, or you can have your own prompt. So just go to this text box and then paste this prompt right here. As you can see, this is like write a professional resume summary for a marketing manager with 5 years experience in digital campaigns, SEO, and team leadership. You can just edit here, remove, add, whatever is your target goal. So this is a summary, but if you want to create or write a full resume, you can also use this prompt. So create a detailed resume for, of course, your name, a software engineer with this year. You can change this one at the company. Okay, skilled in Python, Java, and cloud computing. Include education skills and achievements as much as possible. And here's the result. And all you have to do is to copy and paste it to your Word, edit, add, remove. You can add more skills here or edit whatever is missing or wrong in this information. Now, lastly, you can tailor your resume for each job. So you can add a prompt, for example, you can add here, optimize this resume for the job description. You can paste the job description right here, highlight relevant skills and keywords. You can add more skills if you have more skills right here. Now press enter. And then once done, then you can also format and polish. So you can ask AI to format in bullet points, professional style, use concise language, include measurable achievements, and review for grammar and clarity. Press enter and you should see the result right away. Here it is, and all you have to do is to copy this, review and customize. You can read the AI draft carefully, add your personal touch for examples, make sure all info is accurate, and then paste this one. So basically, that's how easy it is to use AI to write a resume. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.